Hi, I found an app that we can add to a team that will hopefully help us to track whether students have attended a workshop or not. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You can only add this app to a student team, so you can't add it to one that's for teachers. So I'm going to add it to one of your teams because I've added it to mine already. So I'm going to go to Rachel's Year 7 French class. Click on the class. Obviously this will be one of your classes. And if you go to the top of the class there, you've got a plus button here. So we're going to add an extra button on the top. So click on the plus, and it's going to ask you to search, and we're looking for an app called Insights. So again, if you type that in, it just takes a few minutes for that to come up. So try and type it again. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it just takes a few minutes. It's this app called Insights. So click on it. Okay, there's a description of what it does, and you just click Add. Okay, and then you have to save that. Now it's going to take 15 or 20 seconds or so to add this app. Now what this app will do is it will show you who's logged on to Teams on any day. And at the moment, because kids are only actually logging on to go into workshops, that should sort of help us. So this is today. Let's look at the last 7 days. Okay, so we can see here students that logged on for Rachel's French lesson on the April the 20th. That was that Monday? Okay, so we can see Akram was there, Az were there, and Gabrielle, and Liam, and Suravi and Vivian. But you can see that Zach didn't log on, and Ravata. For some reason, there's 2 Ravatas there. Julius wasn't there. Josh wasn't there. Ivana wasn't there. Okay, so if you forget to take a register, or if you're not sure who turned up on that day, if you go to Insights, okay, so you're going to have to add that as an app, and it should show you who logged on the different days. I hope that helps.